Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover your game progress on Monopoly Go. So let's jump in. As you can see here, I'm in my game. However, if you're not able to access this, you can go ahead and you can jump straight into a browser of choice and you can type in Monopoly Go support. So the very top option, this is scopely.helpshift.com. You can go into here. Now this is their support app, and now you can just go down and you can look through some issues if you are wanting to read some articles. However, if you want to go ahead and use the chat at the bottom right hand side, you can go ahead and you can just type in recover lost account, and as you can see over here, it'll give you some answers. It'll also ask for your details, some account details, and they may ask for additional account details at a later stage also, just to verify that it really is you and to also be able to track the account. Now this will take some time for them to actually process, but thereafter you will have your game progress restored. If this was helpful, go ahead and drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.